welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my friend Summer! And we are doing the Spin the Wheel Weird Food Combinations Challenge. Are you ready for this?
Yes!
She is not ready, she's not excited. But you know what, I always force my guests to do just like the strangest things. So for today's 10-second challenge, I want you guys to give this video a like, turn on the notifications, and go subscribe to Summer's channel. It will be the first link in the description. And the time it takes us to do 10 jumping jacks. We got this. Oh my god, I'm getting sweaty. Wait, how many did we do? Alright, I think that was 10. I'm literally sweating right now. Okay, and we also did a part 2 of this video on Summer's channel, so make sure to go check that out after you're done watching. And also make sure to check out my vlog channel. I vlog behind the scenes of all my videos. You guys can see our adventures in Paris together. And let's get started! Are you ready for the first spin?
Oh god!
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Stop! Alright, here we are with the first food. We have Fruit Loops and mustard. Are you ready? Yeah, I don't know. Like,
I have
really
mixed
don't.
feelings.
I don't know why I do these videos to myself and then I bring people in them.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Let's load it up with the mustard. This is so exciting.
Oh great, that just looks like... Yeah, that's a no.
You're gonna have to. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, it smells, man.
Okay.
Okay. I'm scared.
All right. No, that's not enough. You need to get over there.
Okay,
Get some
let's
more.
go. There.
Yes,
Fully
yes.
mustardy.
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Oh god. Oh god. I mean, it's not bad.
It's not that bad. It's actually not that bad. It's just like really weird.
It kind of has a little ting to it, you know?
Yeah.
There's an initial shock, and then it's like, okay, like this isn't so bad.
But I will not have this again.
On to the next one. Oh, we got a little mystery card.
Tomato and mystery. Damn!
Tomato is literally like her worst food. She hates tomato.
Damn, why?
I'm so nervous. My heart's beating so fast. My hands are sweating. Feel my hands. Feel my hands. They're so
yeah, I'm
moist.
like kind of
We're scared and alone. Actually, we have each other. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's crying. She's crying. Oh my god. In parentheses, she cried in the title. What is that?
What? I need a napkin. A napkin.
She's actually crying right now. She's actually crying. Honestly, I feel like being blindfolded makes it like 10 times grosser. It's like you have no idea.
Let's do it.
Jelly beans and chips.
What if they like licorice and chips? That's disgusting.
That sounds good. I'm excited.
I'm not. Sometimes I wonder why.
Why?
Just why.
All right.
Let's do this.
We're actually kind of excited about this one, low-key, not gonna lie.
I feel like I'm actually gonna eat more of these, like right after.
It's gonna become like a regular snack.
So these are like tortilla chips, or like spicy chips.
They're a little spicy, so that's like
spicy with some jelly beans that are not staying on here. There we go. Let's go.
I think I'm like shaking, like my hand is shaking because I'm like doing this from the last one. Like that shook me up.
Yeah, that was terrible.
We are shook.
Oh.
Okay.
I love it.
I stand.
I love it.
I stand. The crunch and the chew.
It's like the sweet and salty.
Yeah. I think we invented a new weird food combination.
It's actually really good.
I like it.
On to the next one.
3, 2, 1. Milk
and pizza.
Milk and pizza. I don't think anyone has ever tried this before. Actually, wait, never mind. Kalia, behind the camera, has said she has tried this before.
Probably just tastes like when you drink milk after pizza. I don't know, you guys tell me.
I feel like I would never drink milk after pizza. Cheers. Let's do it. A nice little dunk. Okay.
No.
I mean, it's just like soggy pizza. Like no one wants a soggy piece of pizza. When you're like at the pool and you're like, you really want a bite of pizza, but you're all wet and you just do it anyway and then it's all soggy and gross.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
Eating food underwater. Watch my last video. Spicy, intense ramen. Oh my god, I don't think I can do this! Orange juice.
Cotton candy.
Oh my god!
No.
Alright guys, and before we forget, we are doing a giveaway on summer. So eat the product. Okay, on her channel, she's giving away an iPhone X.
Yes.
So go check out her video after, and we also try a bunch of more food, so you're gonna want to see it. Alright, what do we have here? This is such a weird combination. Oh my god! I literally just dissolved.
Try, take two.
Okay,
There,
I
see
am
it?
so fast. Okay.
But it's just so
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh no. Honey, no. That is like just like really, really sugary, grainy orange juice.
I feel like I got a lot of cotton candy, that's why I liked it.
I just don't like super sugary stuff.
I'll take it.
She liked it.
But I wouldn't have it again. Hot dog and chocolate syrup.
Okay, so we're trying
Vegan hot dogs with the vegan edition.
with chocolate syrup. So excited for this. If this was like a churro, like
Yeah. That's absolutely disgusting.
oh. Sometimes I let it sit for a little, like give it another chance. But no. She did not deserve another chance.
Fruits and chocolate syrup.
I think we should do it again. Because we got both. I'm gonna do it one more time. What is wrong with my wheel? I'm very frustrated.
Chocolate syrup. Chocolate syrup. It's rigged. It's rigged. How was I doing that?
With this wheel, we're pretty sure it's rigged, so we took this little magnetic thing off, and I think it fixed the problem. Let's try
Popcorn
an avocado. That sounds good. I'm so excited. I'm always excited.
That sounds good though.
I'm so excited for this one. I'm a California girl. I love me some avocado.
And I love the popcorn.
This is gonna be good because avocado is kind of like the healthy butter. You know, people put it on toast. And it's like a buttery spread, so I feel like this is gonna be
I
like
have way too much avocado.
a new healthy life hack.
There, it's sitting.
I like it.
I like that.
Oh my god, that's so good. I'm actually gonna start eating this.
Yeah.
Like I feel like I'm literally gonna start making this a part of my life.
Me too. That's really good.
Watch the vlogs, you'll see me eat it. Okay, so we're gonna keep trying some more foods on Summer's channel.
And the first food we're gonna be trying is